Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a tablet, a Polaroid one, and the speakers are not working, so we're gonna replace them. In this particular model, we need to lift the flap here because there is a hidden screw. It's this one. We just need to remove that screw. And then we can remove the cover. As you can see, it's a very basic logic board, and here you have both of the speakers, and one of them is completely busted. As you can see, it's not connected, they are soldered to the motherboard. And here you have the replacement ones. I'm gonna leave here the description and the measures of it. So I'm gonna remove the old ones. So the size of the new ones, I can realize that the short side is gonna be easy to do, but the one that's a bit further away, the cable is way too short, so we'll have to splice them together. So I'm gonna proceed with the speaker number 2. I'm gonna desolder it quickly as it's plug and play and solder the new one. This one is very simple to do. Put the positive wire, then the negative wire. Make sure you put the right polarity on it. And then I'm gonna go with the second one. And as I said before, the cable is way shorter. So I'm gonna measure where should I cut it. It should be more or less around here. So I'm gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna splice the cables. And I will solder them to the new connector. And then it's gonna be the same. I'm gonna put the positive wire to the positive polarity and the negative. So it's gonna be the same for the speaker number 1 and the speaker number 2. And now that everything is done, we're gonna put everything back together. So it's gonna be in reverse order as we took it apart. And this tablet is very simple. It's just one screw. And then we're gonna test to see if it works. So the job is done, the tablet is fixed, and I'm a bit disappointed with sound quality, but it is what it is. For €1.64, you couldn't expect much better anyway. So once again, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.